position of the standard operation system. Each complete production line supplied by Weihe is equipped with a dedicated standard operation system, consisting of on-site operation photos plus precise construction drawings. It enables for-process standardized operation, eliminates reliance on personal experience, and minimizes human dimensional deviation. The operation photos clearly mark clamping positions, reading standards, and operation procedures to guide operators to work in a standardized manner. Supporting construction drawings specify key forming dimensions and reference points for each station. During production, operators only need to follow drawings to lock standard dimensions. Reference dimension 545 mm at designated stations to achieve precise forming with zero risks, eradicating human errors at the source. Value of the system: eliminate reliance on operators' personal experience. Low recruitment threshold. Fast onboarding for new staff with higher precision than veteran workers. Conventional production lines heavily depend on experienced operators without standardized benchmarks. Workers judge reference dimensions merely by visual estimation and tactile experience, leading to hidden dimensional deviations during long-term production. In addition, resignation of skilled staff may paralyze the whole production line. With Weihe's standard operation system, production lines are freed from reliance on senior technicians. New recruits can operate independently after 1 month of systematic training. If experienced workers leave, new operators only require 1 hour of training to reach or even exceed the precision of operators with 20 years of experience. All operations are based on fixed drawings and standardized data, fully quantifiable and controllable, delivering far better stability than experience-based manual operation. Mass production of multiple panel profiles with unified and traceable data to avoid chaotic errors. Sandwich panels cover a wide range of profiles, including roof panels, wall panels, internal partition panels, external partition panels, and cold storage panels, available in various widths such as 500 and 600 mm. 10 different profiles on one single line correspond to roughly 300 key process points. Traditional production relies on handwritten notes on machines and memory for parameter adjustment. Data is disorganized and untraceable. Even operators with decades of experience cannot accurately manage parameters for all profiles, frequently causing incorrect setup and mass defective panels. Weihe's system implements one standard per profile, one set of data per process point. All precise parameters for every profile and station are solidified and archived. All data is delivered once the machine is commissioned. Weihe's system implements one standard per profile, one set of data per process point. All precise parameters for every profile and station are solidified and archived. All data is delivered once the machine is commissioned. Operators do not need to memorize parameters or repeatedly conduct trial adjustments on site, thoroughly resolving data chaos in multi-profile production. Empower factory management. Break free from manpower constraints. Clear and traceable accountability. Complete standardized documentation upon equipment delivery. No trial and error during commissioning. Ordinary production lines on the market only include machine hardware without complete process data. Customers usually spend 6 to 12 months on repeated trial production to extract process parameters after commissioning, which is time-consuming and delivers unstable data. When delivering production lines, Weihe provides full sets of standardized process documents for all profiles, with corresponding commitments stipulated in sales contracts. All forming dimensions and adjustment parameters are formally handed over. 2 sets of documents are provided, one for daily workshop use and another securely archived for permanent access. Once product deviation occurs, the issue can be traced and verified quickly, with fault points located within 5 minutes for efficient troubleshooting. Case reference: one long-term customer encountered panel deviation several years after line commissioning. By checking our standardized reference data point by point, we identified a 7 mm dimensional offset within 5 minutes. After adjustment, the line resumed normal operation immediately, avoiding further losses from defective panels. R. Precise accountability for all stakeholders. To ensure rigorous control across all links, Weihua's standard operation system establishes clear accountability among all parties: equipment supplier, installation engineers, production operators, and raw material suppliers. All production abnormalities can be traced quickly with clear liability defined. Dimensional benchmarks and equipment parameters are calculated by our engineers. With full lifelong accountability, we fully compensate for defective products caused by equipment design, parameter calibration, or installation errors, forcing our internal team to deliver with rigorous, error-free workmanship. If equipment benchmarks and parameters are correct, yet defects arise from improper adjustment by customer operators, the operators shall bear corresponding liabilities. If both equipment and operator settings are error-free, quality defects are attributable to raw steel coil issues. This scenario is extremely rare. Steel coil quality in the current market is generally stable. Moreover, Weihua's structural design can compensate for minor steel coil dimensional tolerances, and we have not encountered quality problems caused by steel raw materials. Over the past decade, the whole process is transparent and documented, eliminating prevarication among parties. All participants are required to maintain rigorous working standards, realizing fundamental quality control. IV core cost advantage greatly cut production waste and generate long-term profits. According to industry statistics collected in 2025, conventional sandwich panel production lines register an overall waste rate of 4.5%. This covers offcuts at panel ends, waste from panel jointing, foam void defects, rework, returns and compensation claims, and all other implicit losses. Supported by Weihua's standard operation system, the overall waste rate can be stably controlled at 0.5%. This guarantee is backed by 3 pillars: verified mass production cases from existing customers, compensation clauses written into formal contracts, and full support from our standardized management system. Cost benefit calculation. Assume annual output of 1 million square meter panels with an output value of USD 100 per square meter, totaling an annual turnover of USD 100 million. Compared with the industry average, our system reduces waste by 4% annually, saving approximately USD 4 million per year, equivalent to USD 40 million within 10 years. In summary, we deliver not only equipment, but also a complete profit-driven management system. When customers invest in a Weihua production line, they obtain not merely manufacturing machinery, but a complete, implementable, traceable and profit-guaranteed WS production management system. It eliminates the common pain points of traditional production lines: over-reliance on staff experience, high waste rates, and difficult management. We resolve challenges including labor shortages, unstable product quality, excessive material loss, and production vulnerability caused by staff turnover, significantly improving production stability and long-term profitability for manufacturers.